going to discuss the concept of profit and loss. Whenever we are buying something, the amount at which we are buying that thing, that is the cost price. Cost price is generally represented as CP, and the amount at which we are selling that thing, that is the selling price, and it is known as SP. If CP is more than SP, that means the cost price was more than the selling price. So we can say we are having a loss in selling that article, and the loss will be equal to CP minus SP. But if the cost price is less than the selling price, then we say we are having profit, and the profit is equal to SP minus CP. So whenever we are buying something and then we are selling that thing, we are in the situation of selling price. We are in the situation of profit or loss. And if the cost price is more than the selling price, that means we bought a thing at a higher amount and we are selling it at a lesser amount, then we are saying that we are having a loss, and the loss is calculated as CP minus SP. And whenever we are buying something and we are selling at a higher amount, that means we are making a profit out of it. So in that case, selling cost price will be less than the selling price, and the profit is equal to SP minus CP. So this is how we can calculate the loss or the profit while selling an article. So now let us take an example. Suppose Reena sold a pencil for ₹6 which she had bought for ₹5. That means the selling price of the pencil or SP is ₹6 and the cost price is ₹5. As she had bought the pencil at ₹5, so 5 is the cost price, and as she is selling it at ₹6, so SP is ₹6. Now we see that the SP is more than CP, because we can see that 6 is more than 5, so we can say that she is making profit out of it. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, or we can say 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 rupee. So we can say Reena is making a profit of ₹1 by selling the article at ₹6. Now let us discuss an example. Suppose we are given a question: A sold a house for ₹49600 which he had bought for ₹45000. Find the profit or loss. So we are given the selling price and we are given the cost price of the house. So we will write the CP of house. That means the amount at which the house was bought, and it was 45000. Now selling price of house is equal to 49600, and we see that the selling price is more than the cost price. That means we are making profit by selling that house. So profit will be equal to SP minus CP. That means 49600 minus 45000. The answer will be 0064. So we are getting a profit of 4600 by selling the house at ₹49600. So this is how we can calculate the profit or loss for a particular article. Now let us discuss another question. Suppose we are given a question in which we are given that Simon bought 1 dozen oranges at the rate of ₹6 per orange and sold them at the rate of ₹60 per dozen. Find his profit or loss Profit or loss. That means we are given the cost price of 1 orange, but we are selling the 12 oranges, because we know that 1 dozen is equal to 12 oranges. So now if the cost price of 1 orange is 6 rupees and selling price of 12 oranges is 60 rupees, or we can say selling price of 1 orange will be 60 upon 12, that is 5 rupees. Now the cost price of 1 orange was 6 rupees, but the selling price of 1 orange was 5 rupees, and we see that SP is less than CP. That means the selling price is less than the cost price. Also we can say that he is making a loss out of it. So loss is equal to SP loss is equal to CP minus SP, or I can say 6 minus 5 rupee 1. 1 rupee for 1 orange. As I am selling 1 dozen oranges, it will be 1 into 12, that means 12 rupees. So we can say that the Simon is making a loss of rupees 12 by selling them at rupees 60 per dozen. I have discussed this question by finding the selling price of one article, and then I found that there was a loss of rupee 1 in selling 1 orange, and then I calculated the loss for 1 dozen of oranges. But it can be done in the other way also. We can say that the cost price of 1 orange is rupees 6. Cost price of 1 dozen oranges will be equal to, I know that 1 dozen is equal to 12 oranges. So it will be 6 into 12, that is 72 rupees. And selling price of 1 dozen of oranges has been given as rupees 60. Now we see that the SP is less than CP. That means the person is making a loss out of it, and loss is equal to CP minus SP, or we can say 72 minus 60, that is 12 rupees. So this is the other way of doing the question. In the earlier method, I had first calculated the selling price of 1 orange, and I had the cost price of 1 orange, so I calculated the loss for 1 orange, then I multiplied it with 12 to get the loss for 12 oranges. And in this method, I have what I have done is, I have as I am given the cost price of 1 orange, I have converted the cost price for 12 oranges, and then as I had the selling price of 1 dozen of oranges, so I compared them and I found the loss. We can solve the question in both the ways. We can choose whichever we feel more convenient of doing it.